In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for thumbnail text ideas fast and easy. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, crafting engaging thumbnail text is essential for capturing the attention of your audience. Google Trends can be your secret weapon in generating catchy and relevant text. Let's dive into how you can use this powerful tool effectively. First things first, open your preferred web browser and go to the Google search page. In the search bar, type in Google Trends and hit Enter. The very first link you'll see will lead you directly to the home page of Google Trends. Go ahead and click on it to start exploring the tool. Once you're on the Google Trends homepage, look for the option labeled Explore and click on it. This is where you begin the process of discovering trending topics and keywords. This feature will allow you to dig deep into what's currently popular or gaining traction in your area of interest. Now it's time to input your main video or content topic into the search bar. This could be anything from morning workout to budget travel. When you've entered your topic, click on Enter to start the analysis. This will bring up a detailed graph and additional insights related to your topic's search volume over time. Next, you want to refine your search results by applying specific filters. These filters are available to the right of your search results. Adjust the location filter to your target country or region, as this will ensure your results are from the area most relevant to your audience. Change the time range to something like the past 12 months for a broader view, or the past 30 days if you're focusing on short-term trends. You can also narrow it down by category and choose the search type, such as web search or shopping, depending on what aligns more with your content strategy. Now scroll down to find the Related Queries section. This area displays phrases that are currently being searched by others. Pay special attention to the Rising Queries, as these indicate emerging trends and buzzwords. These can be pure gold for crafting your thumbnails. For instance, if you see terms like 10-min workout or quick fat burn, you could create thumbnail text like 10-min blast or quick fat burn. Additionally, check out the Related Topics section. Here, you can find brands, challenges, or trends that may be connected to your topic. Use these as power words in your thumbnail text. For example, your main topic might be budget travel, and a related topic could be backpacking. Your thumbnail text could then be something like backpacker secrets or $30-day travel. To really refine your ideas, use the plus compare feature to test multiple keyword ideas side by side. This will help you identify which terms are seeing the highest interest spikes, signaling that these words are attracting more attention. Finally, as you gather these high-performing query words, start building a swipe file. This is essentially a list of your best words and phrases. Use these to create short, punchy thumbnail text, ideally between 2 to 5 words. And that's it. With Google Trends, you now have a streamlined process to find and use the most engaging and attention-grabbing text for your thumbnails, helping you attract more viewers and grow your content's reach.